So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Vishruth. Hope you all doing good. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more tutorials. And without wasting much time, let's watch the preview. That's all for today guys. Hope you all know the tutorial.